Everybody, I got 2 more of these blue 1100s. Let me get it open. Got this key. That key fell out. I still haven't seen it yet. Got it covered under the box here, so I haven't looked. See if I can move it without looking here. And then that sheet in there, it's under the box. Okay, so got our Sparrow's 40 thousandths tension bar and Peterson number 4 hook. And this is 25 thousandths government steel. Make pretty quick work of that. And see if we can got this thing here. Use this pinning tray since I haven't put together the last lock I picked, so it's still in the other pinning tray. It's kind of why I even use pinning trays. It's just because I'm lazy at putting stuff back together and just leave it in the pinning tray and move it out of the way. Alright, so I'll take a look at the keys here. Alright, so we got 73755, so not too challenging. And grease all over my fingers. Alright, well, that was 4 and 5 that fell out. And there's the last one, number 3. And now for driver pins here. So serrated, and good springs on this guy. Spool, spring. Okay, so we got 3 spools and 2 serrated. And my hands are all greasy here. Alright, so for this one, there's another blue 1100 picked and got it here. And then we got 2 serrated and 3 spools for drivers. And they're not too crazy of bidding on it. So yeah, that'll do it for now. Well, I will talk to everybody later.